Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how you can remove password or PIN in your Android device. So for that, head over to your settings, scroll below, and then you will see lock screen. If you don't see it, you can also search for it. So type in lock screen and then search. Likewise, select lock screen, and as you do that, you will see screen lock and biometrics. This includes your PIN, face, fingerprints, or simply your password. So in order to remove it, first of all, you have to remember it. As you tap onto it, it will ask you to enter your PIN. Once you type in your PIN, you will see various options. So for in my case, I'm not being able to show you that for security reasons. The app content is hidden. But if you tap onto it, you have to type in the PIN of your lock screen and it will show you various options. You will also see none. So you have to select none and then confirm your action, and there you have it. Your lock screen PIN will be removed.